Hi, I'm Tadao of Frigidaire. Frigidaire is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how I replaced this guy. This is from the Frigidaire washer, and this spring is holding the spinning drum, and it's amazing. It's broken or snapped this way. But anyways, I had to replace it. So I got the replacement parts, and also at the same time I replaced the door latch mechanism because sometimes a door popped open during the spin, so it's really dangerous. So I replaced it. So this is how it went. So this is the washer. So obviously this rubber thing is twisted, and I think the drum is off, so it doesn't turn now. Now remove the rear panel and take a look of the inside. So this is the model number. So this is the rear panel. So I'm gonna remove these screws and to open the panel. Inside, this side has a spring, but this side is lost, and I found it's on the bottom and it snapped. That's terrible. So I have to buy this spring. Also, this guy actually occasionally the door open while it's spinning, so I'm gonna remove this rubber like this and then double check. I'm gonna remove this the lock unit. There's the connector behind this, so they unscrew these two and disconnect the connector behind. Then I can take this lock mechanism and double check if it's okay or not. So this is a door lock mechanism. Okay, I got these parts. So these are the springs. The part number is this, and I just Google searched the parts, and it's quite easy. But tricky part is there are so many compatible parts, so it's hard to figure out if this is the exact the parts I want to get. And this is the unit for the door latch. Again, this is the part number. You can the Google search and figure out which part number will fit your appliance. So I'm gonna put this guy. There is a hole here, and also the hook here. And I don't know if I can just brute force this guy. Okay, I disconnected the hose. It was actually went up to that sink, so that's why I couldn't drain the water. But now the water is out, so this drum got slightly lighter, but still it's heavy. I think it's tough to work on this with one person, and so I'm thinking about tipping the entire thing sideways so that the I don't need to fight against the gravity. So I'll try that. Now it's tipped over like this. Hopefully there's no damage on the front side. But look at that spring, it's totally shrunk. That's good, so no fight against the gravity. So I'll shift the drum to upwards and try to install these springs. Okay, I see the other side of the hook. That side is on. I thought about, because the spring came as a pair, so I thought about replacing both. No, but I'll just stay with one. It's so tough to put this spring on it, and I hope there's no damage on it. It's scary though. Alright. So far it's okay. So I hope there's no broken parts. Okay. It's a dead spider. So now I'm gonna install this guy. This is a door latch. And there are three, so you're gonna go this way, like this. And these are the screws. And there are three connectors I disconnected behind it. I hope it's not crushed by the drum. Yeah, so I'll try that. Okay. So three connectors are connected. Put this guy back on. I think the rubber is deformed because the drum was pulling this rubber all the time while I was waiting for the port. So it's not really great, but I hope this will seal well. Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna test run before I'll test run before I put the back cover on. Okay, I at least turned on the light and it's locked good. I will just run the short wash and see what happens to the end. So I skipped the steps, and then now I turned it to the final spin, so water is draining fine. Water is draining fine, so the pump is not really damaged. And it got wet, but I don't think there's the additional water leak from the bottom, so I think it's fine. So and the spin is starting. Okay, I think it's fine. Sounds good. So now our washer is repaired. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.